guys, welcome to my channel at Easy Surveys, where we make all survey practices to be easier and educative. In this video, I want to quickly show you on how to auto number your pillars. Alright, so this is a form of subdivision plan. It's a layout survey. Okay, it has been subdivided, and I want to label the pillars serially. So in the case where you have a more larger layout survey and you want to number the pillars serially, this video is just for you. Okay, we are going to show you the automatic way to do that on all AutoCAD versions. Okay, so this is actually AutoCAD 2021. If you are using 2007 version, 2016, whatsoever versions you are using, this video is just for you. All right, so how to go about that? You should note how you are to run the numbering, okay, loop by loop. All right, so I'm going to be using the point series. This is the PT series, that is point 1, point 2 in the course of this video. However, if you have the pillars already, you have the beacon number, okay, from the Ministry of Land and Surveys, okay, you can actually edit this PT series, okay, or you go to the test icon here, click on it, then you can type the beacon number for each pillar. All right, so and another thing I'm going to let you guys know and understand is that you must put the point series, okay, according to the loop. All right, so this is what I mean. So this is a particular layout or subdivision plan, and I want to label the pillar. So how I'm going to do it is to click on this PT that I already typed here, okay, right click, all right, then go to copy selection. Okay, I'm just going to off my snap here. All right, I'm going to copy this PT, okay, test. All right, so I'm just going to click on the next pillar, the next one, like that. So as you can see, I am going clockwise, all right, like that. So here now is another loop linking inside the subdivided portions. All right, so this is how you are going to run it according to the loop. So when you are done for the last pillar, you click on enter. Okay, so as you can see, these are the tests already, okay, stationed at their respective pillars. All right, so the next thing is to put the numbering. So I want to use the command. Okay, so you are going to be using the command on your command line. You click on the empty space on your command line, then you type TCount. You can actually use a capital letter or a small letter whatsoever, but the command is TCount. Okay, that is test count. Then you click on enter. So when you click on enter, it's going to give you an advantage to choose the point or the test, okay, the test options serially. Okay, so this is the idea. You choose it according to the way you want the system, the AutoCAD, to number your pillars for you. So this is my point 1. All right, so as you can see, there is no 1 there, so I'm just having it at the back of my mind that I want this pillar to be my first point. Okay, so you will click on it. This is the second one, so you go according to the way you want the system to auto number your pillars for you. So as you can see, I'm already picking it, and this is my last point here. So when you are done, you click on enter. All right, when you click on enter, it's going to give you an option. So if you are using AutoCAD Land Desktop 2009, you are going to be having a prompt on your screen. Okay, so if you are using other versions as well, you may have the prompt on your screen or not. So maybe you have it on your screen or not. These are the options you are going to be having. So below my command line here, as you can see, at the command line, there is X, there is Y, and there's select other functions. All right, so these are the 3 functions you are going to be seeing on your command line or on your screen. Do we get it now? So the next thing to do is to click on the select to other function. Do we get? So I'm just going to click on that. So it's going to ask you the way you want it to number. Okay, so on your command line, you click on the empty space that is blinking there. All right, Then I want the numbering to start from 1, that is PT1, PT2, PT3, and so on. Okay, so I'm just going to click on 1, 1. What this simply means is that I want the numbering to start from 1 and I want it to be increasing by 1. That is, if I have PT1 here, the next point should be 1 plus 1, which is PT2. So that is what it means. So in case you want to start from PT10, so you are going to be typing 10, 1. So it's going to start your reading or auto numbering by doing from PT10, PT11, and so on and so forth. I hope we get that right. So when I typed 1, 1, that is from point 1 and increasing from it, I'm going to click on enter. So when I click on enter, you are going to see another options popping up on your screen or on your command line. So these are the options. I'm going to read it out. So you will be having overwrite function, you'll be having preface function, you'll be having suffix function, and you will have find and replace functions. Okay, so what this simply means, I'm just going to explain the prefix and suffix. All right, the prefix simply means that you'll be having your numbers before the P. All right, that is before the text, before the alphabet, you will have the numbering. Okay, while the suffix simply means you will have the numbering after the text. I hope we get that right. So what I'm using in the course of this video is after the text, so that is suffix. So I'm just going to click on suffix, and as you can see on my subdivided plan, the numbering has already popped up. So this is how to auto number your pillars, okay, without you doing it manually and stressing yourself over it. So if you have a very large layer survey, you can just do this particular method using your AutoCAD, all right, without you wasting a whole lot of time and energy. I hope we get that right. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit on the subscribe icon on this channel, as well as turn on your notification bell to keep receiving first-hand information as we keep uploading and update you in the geospatial world. Thank you. See you next time.